Welcome, seekers of peace and purpose. Are you searching for a way to break free from stress, anxiety, or the limitations of your current reality? What if the key to transforming your life lies not in the external world, but within your own mind? Today, we're exploring the incredible power of meditation and sharing real-life stories of people who turned their lives around through this ancient practice. Hello, friends. Alison Shaw here. I understand the journey to a more rewarding life can have its challenges, and I'm here to offer encouragement and support. Today, we're going to celebrate the triumphs of others who have successfully taken control of their lives and achieved their goals. Their stories are a testament to what's possible for you. Let's start with Hugh Jackman, the beloved actor known for his roles in X-Men and The Greatest Showman. Despite his success, Jackman sought more. He turned to Transcendental Meditation over 30 years ago. Not only did it enhance his creativity, but it also improved his relationships and overall well-being. Jackman now meditates daily, crediting the practice for transforming every aspect of his life. Actor Robert Sheehan, star of The Umbrella Academy, faced severe anxiety and depression. Despite fame, he battled inner darkness. In 2017, Sheehan explored meditation, trying Tibetan singing bowls and silent retreats. Slowly but surely, his mental health improved, and he discovered a renewed sense of purpose. Meditation isn't just for celebrities. Vidyamala Burch, after suffering debilitating spinal injuries, found relief through mindfulness. Rather than being consumed by chronic pain, she used meditation to reclaim her life. Today, she helps others manage pain through her organization, Breathworks. And then there's Ian Gawler, who was diagnosed with terminal cancer in the 1970s. Facing impossible odds, he turned to intensive meditation and lifestyle changes. Against all expectations, he survived and has remained cancer-free since 1978. He now teaches others how to harness the body's natural healing power through meditation. Even children are reaping the benefits. At Roberta T. Smith Elementary School in Georgia, students take midday meditation breaks. The result? Reduced stress, more confidence, and better focus in class. Meditation is proving to be a powerful tool for shaping young minds. These stories aren't just isolated miracles. They are living proof that meditation holds the potential to reshape reality. By quieting the mind, connecting with the present, and aligning with inner wisdom, anyone can cultivate a life filled with peace, clarity, and boundless possibilities. If these stories inspire you, why not start your own transformation? We're offering a free 10-part video course that dives deep into meditation, consciousness, and personal empowerment. You'll learn practical methods to quiet your mind, rewire your thoughts, and begin consciously creating the life you truly desire. Simply click the link in the description box below to access the course. It's completely free, and it could be the first step toward your most extraordinary life. The life you dream of is closer than you think. It starts with a single breath.